Yo, what's happening, people? Bossman CMV Outdoors. Hey, we back at it again, man. Another weekend. And we got a little rain this morning, but it supposed to let up. So we finna head on out. And then hopefully we can get some deer to walk this morning after this little drizzle. And I got my man, Old Dusty Hunt, with me again today. And his little son, Junior.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna get that deer this time? Huh? You sure?
He said we ain't going back home without no deer.
That what he say?
Yeah.
All right, finna get at it. You got my text, huh?
Yeah.
Yo, what's happening, people? Bossman CNB Outdoors, how everybody doing this morning? We're down here at the place again this morning. And I'm just getting back to the house. So this morning, I seen a little small doe this morning. And she hung around for a pretty good while. We had a little rain this morning. It stopped raining around about 8:30. And I started getting a little activity around 9:30. I had a buck come out chasing a doe. He was a young buck, so wasn't really too much nothing to get excited about, but it did give my adrenaline pumping a little bit. And I had some dogs come through, and that was about it, man. After that, it went cold. So it's about 11:30 right now. So I usually stay in the stand till about 11 o'clock. I'm back at the house now, and Odessa Hunt, he's still out. He went down to Slocum and hunted one of my stands up there in Slocum. So I don't know if he's gonna sit in the stand all day or what, but he should be pulling up here in a second. It's not that cold down here this morning. It's about 50. I think it's about 52 degrees, somewhere around there. I'm solo dolo right now. Everybody stayed home this weekend. I don't know if they thought the weather was gonna be too bad or what, but this kind of weather I like, man. As long as it ain't raining too hard, I'm gonna get out here and I'm gonna get after it, man, because, you know what I'm saying, this kind of weather they like, this kind of weather will get them stirred up and get them to moving. So, but this evening, I might go down to Slocum this evening and hunt one of my stands down there, or I might go back to where I came from. As you can see, I got a lot of activity over there, so I might go back over there, or I might go to Slocum, or I might just wait and hunt Slocum in the morning. But what I do have to do is I need to change the time on these feeders. These feeders going off a little later than what I want to. They're going off at 7 a.m. I'm gonna bag them up to about 6:30, and they should be fine after that. But that's it, man. I'm finna take a chill pill and give me a bite to eat, and y'all stay tuned, man. And I'll come back on when I go back out this evening. Peace. Yo, what's happening, people? Bossman CNB Outdoors. Want to welcome y'all to my evening hunt, and so y'all stay tuned, and I'll come back on when I get to the distance. wasn't gonna shoot that hog. But he pissed me off, eating up all my corn. Y'all stay tuned.
With the bushes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I said, Junior, I'm finna let you shoot. It's a dope. Put him up there. I said, aim. I said, Junior, it's right under the feeder. I said, just aim at the feeder, because you can see the feeder still. I like, just aim at the feeder and look down. It's right there.
He
like,
couldn't see it.
He was like, it's too dark. I can't see. Yeah. And I got to them. We old, so we able to, doing it.
So we got a doe down. Odessa shot a doe, so we got a doe down. We finna go in here and see if we can find him. We down off up here in this marsh, kind of thick off up in here. I see a little drop. Oh yeah, that's she ain't that fuck, cause that's cloudy blood right there. That's the only thing I don't like about shooting stuff at night. Especially if they don't fall.
There she go.
Oh yeah, there she is right there. She big enough. Shoot, that's a nice doe. I don't know what you talking about.
She looked small, I guess.
Man, that's a nice doe. So is.
Got us one, Junior.
What you think about that, Junior? Your pops got him one.
Hey, it's dark.
Turn that light, shine that light up, yeah.
Hey, it's dark out here. He couldn't see in the scope, so I went ahead and just took her down. We came out here last weekend, came up short. Junior said he didn't want to go back home short again, so since he couldn't see, I went ahead and took it down. But we're gonna try again in the morning.
Yeah. Where you hit her at?
On the other side.
Oh, she was facing the other way. I don't even see where you hit her. Oh, right in the front. Well, that's it, people. Doe down. Odessa got him a doe. And we finna drag on up out of here and get out of this marsh, man. For the Sasquatch. Before we run into Sasquatch man back here. CNB Outdoors, baby. Man, look at them. Man, look at that. Look at the teeth on that goddamn thing, man. Look at them teeth, man. Ooh. He broke off on that side over there. If he would have had two like this here, I'd keep it skull, but since the other side broke off, I ain't gonna keep it. But man, there's some nice cutters on there, man. Hey man, CNB Outdoors, baby. Hey, I told you, this my time of the year, man. I told you I'm gonna be popping them and dropping them, man. Look at that hog, man. Look at that hog, man. Look at that hog, man. That's a beast, man. We finna weigh this hog, and y'all drop a comment, man. Whoever guessed the exact weight, man, I got a prize for you, man. So whoever guessed the exact weight, I got a prize for you, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all wait on it. Get a good view of the hog so they can get their little weight estimates together and stuff.
Nice size hog, I tell you that. Boy got some shoulders on him.
Go a little more.
little bit more. You can't come back today. That's all out there. I was like, bitch, man, he standing there at nighttime, dude. Dog, you can't even see. I was like, well, I'm like, they too deep.
You already know I ain't getting down till it get dark. And I really wasn't gonna shoot that hog. But he just stayed there and kept eating up all the corn. I said, you know what? You done stayed a little bit too long. I went on and popped his butt. You know how YouTube is about processing wild game now, so I ain't gonna be able to show y'all what happened next, man, so y'all stay tuned.
All right.
Y'all finna get on up out of here?
Yep.
All right, catch up with y'all on the next one.
Hey, Thanksgiving weekend.
That's when you coming back?
Thanksgiving weekend, take a weekend off and come back hard for Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
You know we're gonna have them Thanksgiving leftovers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, y'all be safe on the highway.
All right.
Yo, what's happening, people? Bossman CNB Outdoors. Another weekend, y'all. We hunting hard this weekend. Me and Odessa hunt. And this is hardcore East Texas hunting, man. Hardcore East Texas hunting, man. This is not a protein ranch. This is not a high fence ranch or nothing like that. And we don't have none in the area. This is just straight hardcore East Texas hunting, man. So sometimes you see something and sometimes you don't, man. So it's all about patience, man. You just gotta have patience. And this weekend, we had a little rain yesterday. So yesterday and this morning, the deer was on the move, had a lot of activity. And I haven't seen no mature does yet. All the does I've been seeing are small. I'll wait and get a chance to harvest a nice mature doe. And I've seen a few bucks. Y'all seen that one buck. I had one shooter buck come out, and he was a shooter, but I pass on bucks all the time, man. I know y'all probably say, boss man, why you ain't shoot that buck? I pass on bucks all the time, man, especially an 8-pointer. I get tired of shooting 8-pointers, so I'll let them walk. You know what I'm saying? It's early in the season, so I still got plenty of time to see if that big boy gonna come out. So I let nice deer pass all the time. I know some of y'all out there probably say, well, boss man, I don't eat the horns. Hey, if you don't eat the horns, man, that's good. That's good, man. A lot of people hunt for meat. I hunt for meat too, but I trophy hunt also. So that's why I let a lot of bucks pass. And I had that hog come out late on that evening. I wasn't gonna shoot the hog, man, but he pissed me off, man. He sat there and ate all my corn up. I went on and put him down. And I hunted this morning. I had a few small deer come out. I got a little 4-pointer that hang around the feet all the time. And when some does come up, he run them off. So that's another reason why I believe I'm not seeing no does at my other location over there where my ground blind at. You'll see in the video, you'll see that little 4-pointer. We'll give it a try next weekend, man. That's the only time I'm hunting right now is on the weekend. I don't take vacation until Thanksgiving. We'll see what the weather look like next weekend, and I'll be back at it, man. But I appreciate y'all tuning in. Another episode of CNB Outdoors. And if you're not a member of the CNB family, go on hit that subscribe button, man. Go on hit it, man. And I greatly appreciate it. I appreciate everybody tuning in. And I'm gonna get on up out of here and get on this highway and get on my end before it get late. My man Odessa just left, so I'm finna get on up out of here too, man. So I appreciate y'all. Peace.